Hello, welcome to my channel Home Health Totke. Today in this video I will tell you castor oil and rosemary oil for hair growth. Before starting the video, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for latest update. A study showed that rosemary could be used to stimulate hair growth. It has antifungal properties that prevent fungal infection on the scalp like dandruff. Ingredients: 2 teaspoons castor oil, 2 teaspoons coconut oil, 2 to 3 drops rosemary essential oil. Method: mix castor oil and coconut oil in a bowl. Heat the container until they are blended. Add a few drops of rosemary essential oil to this blend. Massage your scalp and hair with this hot oil for 5 to 10 minutes. This hot oil treatment allows nutrients to seep into the hair follicles, locking the shine. Leave the oil on for another 15 minutes. Use a mild shampoo to get rid of the oil. Go for this treatment every week for a few months for the desired effect. I will give you the links of ingredients in the description. You can buy from Amazon.com. I hope this video will help you a lot. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon for latest updates. Thanks for watching.